Hello, today we are at Rafferty's for lunch. We just finished a trek at Mammoth Cave and we have ordered already, so we're waiting for our food.
Our first order are these cheesy bacon fries. I don't know what this sauce is, but we will find out soon. Go.
Okay, so there are crispy fries, they're nice, and they are drizzled in a lot of cheese. And there's also shredded bacon on top. Usually most Indians would not eat bacon, but our parents do not restrict us, so that's yay. It's kind of good, it tastes like dried mutton. So, this is buttermilk ranch with Cajun seasoning. It's pretty simple, but it tastes nice. It's nice.
Our parents don't usually eat bacon, but my parents are lenient, so they let us eat bacon. It tastes like dried mutton, dried fish, upagandam. I love upagandam, so that's why I like bacon.
Okay, so she has ordered chicken tenders, a plate of chicken tenders, and a sauce that we don't know, but we will find out about.
No, it's honey mustard.
Okay, it's honey mustard. Yeah. Okay, so, and then we ordered mahi fish that's grilled with mashed potatoes with bacon on top. That was her idea. Okay, and then I think that's coleslaw. And
Mayonnaise.
Oh, it's mayonnaise. Oh my gosh. And lemon.
And for Mummy has cactus in her soup because she is a daredevil. There is cactus in this soup. So it's like a turkey, corn, tomato, cactus concoction. And then our dad has a very picturesque salad. Yes. Now please leave us alone so we can eat our food. On our dad's salad is chicken cut very beautifully, buttermilk ranch, and a croissant. Now, please leave us alone so we can eat our food.
The mashed potatoes are very creamy and soft. They're warm and they also have bacon on top that is very crispy.
You know, I agree. Get some fish. This is very good fish. It tastes like smoked chicken. Turkey cactus corn soup. I'm going to taste it now. It's definitely spicy. I did not expect it to be spicy. There's lots of turkey, very, very visible amounts of turkey in it, tomato, and this is not green beans or green peppers. This is cactus, my friend. It's very good.
Okay, so this is a chicken salad. They have made the chicken and cut it very nicely. And I think this is ranch. Yes, this is ranch. And here are some artichokes, which I will try because I like artichokes. They have a little bit of oil on them, but they're cold. And salt. It's nice.
The soup has a similar taste to chicken tortilla soup, except it doesn't have tortillas. But it tastes just like that. And the cactus tastes like green beans.
The cactus in the soup is actually very soft. It's more soft than I thought it would be.
Well, I guess we're done. You're wrong.
Time for dessert.
So of the two desserts we ordered, our first one is especially for the kids. This is Kentucky silk pie. It's special, I think, to this restaurant. It is a sweet graham cracker crust with a chocolate mousse, and it's topped with ganache.
Okay, so this is the banana cream pie. There's ice cream on top with caramel drizzle, and there's a graham cracker pecan crust, and it's a creamy texture of bananas and whipped cream. So yeah.
Can you guys stop? Let us enjoy the food.
We hope you enjoyed watching our dining experience at Rafferty's. We really enjoyed it. There was lots of great food. Please, please, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, because the more you like, the more food we get to eat. Thank you. And if you want to come here, hop on a plane and come to Rafferty's in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Thank you for watching.
What have another pie?
Tog ju bara mitt i det.